Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some of the very latest fresher recruitment updates. Also, we'll be seeing some internship updates. So here, the qualifications 10th about 12th about diploma, any graduate is eligible. The companies that we are going to see are, there is Wipro, there is Cognizant, there is recruitment update from TCS, Genpact, Accenture, HCL and Goldman Sachs. Okay. So for all these companies, there is actually openings. We'll be seeing the recruitment updates one by one. If you're interested, please to watch this video till the end. Also, if you're seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, follow us on our Instagram page. Don't forget the link I have put in description. Okay. So let's have a look on the recruitment updates one by one. The first company we are going to see is Cognizant. So Cognizant is actually hiring for interns. This is for multiple locations all around India: Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Kochi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Noida, Pune. So for all these locations, they are hiring. The deadline of application is 31st of December. So please try to apply before it. The CTC is 25,000 per month. Let's have a look on what is the eligibility criteria. So year of pass out doesn't matter. Whichever year of pass out you are having, if you are trying to get into any company, you can apply here. Okay. So any year of pass out is fine. BBA, BSc, BCom, MBA, all streams are of all streams of these educational backgrounds are eligible. 6 months prior work experience if you are having, you will get more advantage. That is the only thing. The CTC they are offering is 25,000 per month is a CTC. So if you are interested, just try to apply now by clicking on this icon and apply for it. Okay. Next, we are going to see a recruitment update from Wipro. So Wipro is hiring for freshers. Any graduate fresher is eligible here. The post name is production specialist. A lot of production specialists are being hired by Wipro. The location is Hyderabad. So the skills they are asking is only basic skills, basic well-written communication skills. You should be having ability to learn, then proactive learning skills, quantitative skills. That is the only requirement here. Any graduate fresher is eligible. See here, only freshers and graduates are eligible. So please to apply by clicking on this apply icon. Okay. Next, we are going to see a bulk recruitment update from Wipro. So Wipro Elite campus hunt is happening here. So they are calling for 2022 batch and 60% of mark you require in 10th, 12th, and also you should be having 6 CGPA. So the streams of education that they are calling is BTech and 5-year integrated courses. Age limit will be 25 is the maximum age limit. Selection process also they have given here. Registration, assessment will be there. Business discussion will be there. Letter of intent and offer letter. Let's have a look on what is the CTC or the salary that they are offering. 3.5 lakhs per annum is a starting salary. It is actually a very good package for any fresher. Now the project, the designation will be project engineer. Okay. So here, this is actually a bulk recruitment update from Wipro. So if you are interested, please apply by clicking on this register now. Okay. So this is the second recruitment update from Wipro. The third one we are going to see is again from Wipro itself. It is for associate YT. The location is Hyderabad. Again, any graduate fresher is eligible. You should be having communication skill good. That is the only requirement. Okay, good communication skill, written and verbal. Then comprehension skills, speaking skills. You should be able to work with minimal supervision. That is the only thing. Okay. So if you are having these qualifications, please to apply here by clicking the apply icon. Okay. Next recruitment again is a bulk recruitment update from Wipro. Actually, Wipro is hiring a lot of people. So here they are calling for the year of pass out 2021 and 22. So this is again Wipro's bulk recruitment update. The last day to apply here is January 31st is the last date. So earlier we have seen the recruitment update for 22 batch. Now it is for 2021 and 22 batch. The designation is same. It is project engineer. And hello guys, so do you know that a lot of companies now offer you jobs based on only your skills, and you don't need to worry about having a good degree from a good college or lack of experience. So all that matters is talent and skills. If you are having good talent and skills, you can earn up to minimum 4 lakhs per annum for non-tech roles and 6 lakhs per annum for tech roles. And you can actually get up to 15 lakhs per annum if you're having good and relevant skills. So we are going to see about a platform which is called Relevel by Unacademy. So here, a lot of companies are hiring through this platform, and the biggest attraction is that this is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay any money here. Okay. So I'm going to share with you what you have to do as a sign up process. So just click on this get hired, and the next thing you have to do is sign up to this platform. You have to book a test slot, and then you have to give the test. And if you get a good score in the test, you will be hired by the companies. You don't have to bother about going to the company sites and applying multiple times. You just have to give the test and get a good score in the test. And 200 plus leading companies trust Relevel. The big companies like Urban Company, Meesho, Upgrad, Paytm, all these companies are hiring through this platform. I'm going to share specifically a particular company update with you, which is Paytm, which will be hiring you in the next 15 days. So please do book your test slot, register for the test as soon as possible. So the company have a team size of more than 1,000 people, and they are hiring through Relevel platform. So please do apply for it. Just register for test and apply for the test of Paytm. Okay. Also, you know that a lot of people are being hired through this platform. There are a lot of bulk placements happening here. So you can actually give mock tests here. You will get various sample papers, and also you will be notified with the help of a leaderboard that how good your performance is, where you stand in your performance or in this race. Okay. So you will get to know about the leadership board or the leaderboard. Also, you will get a lot of mock tests and sample papers here. So all these things will really help you in your placement, and it will assist you to get your dream job and your dream package. Okay, as I've told you, you'll get a package up to 15 lakhs per annum. So please register to this platform, sign up to this platform first, because it is completely free of cost, and please give the test. So the link I'll be putting in description. Make use of the link and get placed. The compensation is 3.5 lakh per annum here. Let's have a look on the streams which they are calling for. Here they are calling for B.Tech and ME MTech. Also 60% you require for 10th, 12th, and the maximum age limit is 25. Here 20, 21 and 22 batches are eligible. Okay. So the links I'll be putting separately in description. Whichever link you are finding suitable or favorable, just apply for it accordingly. Okay. So these are some of the mass recruitment updates from Wipro. So please don't miss out. Please try to apply before the deadline. Okay. And please try to wait for the reply mails within 2 weeks, maximum 2 weeks it will take. Okay. So let's have a look on the next recruitment update from TCS. TCS is hiring for 20 and 21 batch. And the streams of education they are calling is B.Tech, ME MTech, MCA, MSc, year of pass out 20 and 21. Okay, so this is a off-campus hiring of TCS. The last day to register is 16th of January. There is enough time, but don't wait till that. Apply for it as soon as possible. Let's have a look on the test eligibility. You should be having 60% mark or 6 CGPA in 10th, 12th, diploma and graduation and post-graduation. Then the test pattern, again, they have given here. 2 parts of examinations will be there. Part A will be cognitive skills. Part B will be programming skills. Totally 180 minutes time duration is there. Okay. So try to read the notification, and if you are having these year of pass out and if you are from these educational backgrounds, try to apply for it. Okay. So I'll be putting the link of TCS also in description. Last date is 16th of January. Next one is a recruitment update from Genpact. So Genpact is hiring BCom candidates. So this is a exclusive hiring for BCom candidates. Let's have a look on what is the post name. Process Associate Record to Report. Okay. So in this role, you will be doing a job related to accounting related areas, perform balance sheet, tally, all these things. So the job is actually related to accounting, balance sheet, tallying, all these things. So if you are from that area, from that educational backgrounds, you can apply here. So finance related backgrounds they are looking for. Freshers can also apply. Clearly they have mentioned here. Okay. You should be having strong Excel skills, Microsoft Excel, good communication skills, ability to manage and prioritize things. So that is the only requirement. Date of posting December 27. It is a very recent update only. The location will be Hyderabad. It is a full-time job. So BCom candidates, please apply here. Don't miss out. Okay. Next recruitment update is from Accenture. It is a IT help desk hiring. Here they are looking for people with qualification 10th, SLC, SSC, 12th, PUC, HSC, BCA, B.Tech. So basically any graduate is eligible, or even if you are having minimum 10th pass qualification, you are eligible with 0 to 1 year of experience. Okay. So this is a BPO related job or a service desk help desk, that is a job. Okay, so if you think that you are eligible, just click on this apply now icon and apply for it. The next recruitment is again from Accenture. It is service desk management application tech support. Okay, so this is again a tech support related job itself. So any 3-year graduations is eligible, but you should be having work experience of minimum 1 to 2.5 years. Okay, so this is a service desk voice support. This is a job in which you will be answering various calls, voice support process. Okay, so that is the job role. Okay, so if you are interested, definitely apply for this. The next recruitment update we are going to see is from HCL. HCL is hiring B.Tech, ME MTech freshers with job opportunity for 22 batch. Okay, So all the B.Tech, ME, M.Tech streams of 22 batch is eligible here. So just click on this the link which I'll be putting in description, and please fill up this application form. Very recently, one of our subscribers got placed in HCL, so I have thought of making another video on HCL itself. So this is a application form. Just fill up and apply for it. Only basic things they're asking: university registration number, candidate name, gender details, email ID, contact number, alternate contact number, address, state details. That is the only requirement. Okay, so just fill up this application form and apply for it. Okay, next one is the recruitment update from Goldman Sachs. The company is hiring for two different posts, new analyst and summer internship. They are calling for people with year of pass out 22 and 23. So this is actually an internship opportunity, also a full-time opportunity. Anyway, the interns will be absorbed in the company. So if you are interested in the internship post, just click this icon. Otherwise, if you are interested in applying with the new analyst post, just click this icon. Okay. For the 22 batch, you have to apply for the new analyst. 23 batch, you have to apply for the internship post. Okay. They have given the details of the selection process also. Last date to apply here is January 3rd. Aptitude test will be on January 9th. February 13th, you will be having technical tests. Interviews will be from 4th week of February. Okay. Yeah, so that's all for today's video. We have seen a lot of recruitment updates. There is a lot of bulk hirings I have brought up in this video. And I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Please share the videos with your friends also and tell them to subscribe. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.